Let me tell you about the time Mariah Carey came in while I was performing at a restaurant in Malibu. So I was playing the piano and I was singing at a restaurant called Mastro's in Malibu. And I was playing and singing my heart out. Now, at this place, there was always celebrities. So Justin Bieber would come in, Mariah Carey would come in, Maroon 5, everyone that you could think of would go and eat there. So I was used to seeing them all the time. Sometimes they would come to my piano, they would hang out. Now, this one day, Mariah Carey happened to come in. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm such a fan of Mariah Carey. Now I'm sitting there playing and a guy walks up and he says, Mariah Carey was wondering if. Now in that moment, I felt like it was like time froze. And when time froze, I started thinking of all the possibilities of what he was about to say. So that means he was in her team or whatever, and he was coming up to deliver a message from her. So when he said, Mariah Carey was wondering if, all the things in my mind went to, you'll play a song for her, if she can sing a song with you, if you'd like to play a song with her on her next album, if you'd like to tour with her. My mind went to all these amazing places of what Mariah Carey was about to ask me to do. And then what happened next was hilarious. And then the guy finished his sentence. Mariah Carey was wondering if you would turn it down. So I'm sitting there still playing, and I have my mixing board right here where I can handle the volume. And I just remember being like, oh, sure. So I put my hand over here and I just turned it down. The reason why I share this with you guys is because of two things. One, not everybody's going to like your music, but what's really cool was two, I did more than $1 million as an independent artist. I toured the world. I've done 2,500 shows on multiple continents all around the globe. The majority of people can hate your guts. And if a small, tiny percentage of people like you can actually make a living. If you'd like to learn how I've done what I've loved, made music travel the world, comment the word newsletter, and I'll send you